In this problem, they ask us to simplify each expression, and in 2a, they tell us that tangent squared theta times cosecant squared theta minus 1 all over secant squared theta. The first thing that I recognize is that I see this expression. Now, these two are separated by multiplication, but that looks like an identity that we know. 1 plus cotangent squared theta equals cosecant squared theta. Well, if I subtract 1 on both sides, I get cotangent squared theta equals cosine squared theta minus 1. So there I'm going to do a substitution. Tan squared theta. And instead of this purple box, I'm going to have cotangent squared theta. All of that over secant squared theta. Well, I know cotangent squared theta is the reciprocal identity. So here we use the Pythagorean identity in purple. In yellow, yellow, if I use the reciprocal identity, class, what is cotangent? 1 over tangent squared theta. So if I make that a fraction, I can just put that over 1, and that's just a really big fraction of secant squared theta. I can cancel, right? In the numerator, what am I left with? Just 1. 1 over secant squared theta. And 1 over secant squared theta is just cosine squared theta by the reciprocal identity. Raise your hand if you got cosine squared theta. Carl, what kind of weekend are you going to have?